Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mukmik. So, how are you guys doing? It's been quite a long time that the gold has been being sideways for like almost the whole month. So, let's see what it's now doing, and I think it might be some good news. Okay, let's start with the daily time frame. Where is our demand zone? It is still this one. Okay, and our supply zone, we're still having this supply zone which pushed the price down from yesterday, and another one here. So maybe our sideways now very likely to close. Okay, so if it's formed this pattern, the price will surely choose the side, either up or down. Okay, really close to where it will make the decision. And let's see the candlestick. So the candlestick of yesterday is a bearish one. Really strong selling power here. So I would say for today the price could continue to be a bearish one as well. So it can go a little bit further down, but we are still having this 1820. If you notice, so the price is now trying really hard to persist over this point. Alright, another support for the daily time frame would be at 1810. What about the resistance? The resistance, I would say really clearly here at 1840. Alright, so if you notice, the price was using this 1840 as a support, but once it breaks this support down, the price is now using this 1840 as a resistance. Alright, even though it's trying to get up to go like shoot back up, but when the candlestick close, it's still closed below this 1840. So I will use this as a resistance for the daily time frame. Alright, so let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So in the 4 hours time frame, one pattern that I could see, maybe the price will form this double bottom or low twice in our Bravo Gold strategy course if the price really passed this neckline. So it really needs to go up anywhere above 1840. If it really go up, where could it go? So I use my Fibonacci extension here. Let me change the color for you. So we will have our 3 points. The first one at 1847, the next one is 1854, and the third one is 1861. I would say that this 1860 to 1861 is the most beautiful plan, okay, but the price can really use either of these. Can we see the demand and supply in the 4 hours time frame? I would say that we still have our demand zone here for the 4 hours time frame, but this demand zone is really weak. Alright, if the price coming back down, I will not consider buying anywhere at this demand anymore because it has been tested quite a significant times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 times that this demand zone has been used. So it's really weak. The next demand we could consider buying is at this point, and we do have our significant levels here at 1810 as well. So I would say that I will be waiting down here, alright, from 1812 to around 1805. That's for the 4 hours time frame. What about the 1 hours time frame? So in the 1 hours time frame, if you remember our last plan for yesterday, we have our QM buy. Where is it? It is this one, this pattern. The price break this trend line and make a higher high. So the price make a higher high. This one is higher than this one. So I use my Fibonacci retracement, and what we got was this. Okay. So the price is now still being in our QM buy zone, but I would say that the buy power is not quite here yet. So if this QM buy is really good for everyone who said that, oh, this one is beautiful, the price would go back up more sooner than this. However, the price have formed another QM, but not a QM buy anymore. It is a QM sell. So we have this new pattern from yesterday, which the price makes a lower low here. So for the QM sell, we have the price breaking this trend line and making a lower low than this swing low. So if I use my Fibonacci retracements again, we will have our QM sell here at around 1833 to 1836. Let me put a number. Back here was 1825 point something to 1822. Okay, so I would say this QM patterns really supports our daily time frame. If you remember that the price might starting to close the sideways. Okay, so if the price use both QM buy and QM sell, it will bounce back like this. Okay, and it will eventually you choose if it's gonna go up or if it's gonna go down next. I hope it's clear. So these plans are not confirmed. I would say that trading in this sideways market is really risky. So you do need to reduce your risk at any point. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want a confirming signals from us, please follow us on the BUBI project. I will leave the registration link down below so you can join our Telegram. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.